Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and did you ever get free cushions with a piece of furniture like a sofa, but they just weren't really your style? Well, that is what happened to me, but I easily made them into my style with these mixeoo velvet cushion covers. Now, while I didn't absolutely hate the cushion covers that came with my couch, they didn't really have that pop of color that I was looking for. The texture of the fabric also wasn't that great to the touch. But both of that changed majorly for the better when I got these mixeoo cushion covers. I absolutely love the gorgeous, soft sage green color. The cushion covers also fit to a T. They actually fit the cushion inserts better than the cushion covers that came with them. They are really solidly constructed, and I am a big fan of the fact that the zipper, once you zip it up, is nearly invisible. The velvet fabric is so soft to the touch. It makes these cushions so cozy and comfortable and great for napping on. I am a huge fan of these mixeoo cushion covers. They give a great pop of color, and I love the soft velvet fabric. And that's my point of view.